Welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about aerial photography or simply love flying drones, you're in for a treat. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best mini drones of 2025, featuring the latest and greatest in compact drone technology. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Xiaomi V168 8K Drone. The Xiaomi V168 features foldable arms, making it compact and easy to carry. Whether you're traveling or just heading to the park, this drone is incredibly portable. This drone is equipped with a dual camera system capable of 5G Wi-Fi 4K, 6K, and 8K high-definition video. Imagine capturing stunning high-resolution images and videos with crystal-clear detail. The 90-degree adjustable remote control camera allows you to capture shots from various angles: flat, oblique, overhead, and more. With the 8K high-definition pixels, every shot you take is breathtaking. The camera also supports 50 times zoom, giving you unparalleled flexibility and creativity in your shots. The Xiaomi V168 doesn't just excel in photography, it also boasts impressive flight capabilities. It features GPS positioning for accurate flight tracking and stability. With a 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance of up to 3,000 meters, you can view real-time footage directly on your mobile device without any lag. The drone supports several flight modes including orbital movement, waypoint flight, and altitude hold mode. Orbital movement allows the drone to fly in circles, giving you dynamic camera angles. Waypoint flight enables you to draw a flight path on your screen, and the drone will follow it precisely. For those who are new to flying drones, the optical flow visual hover and one-touch features make it easy to control. The one-touch return function ensures that the drone automatically returns to its takeoff point with just a single button press. In terms of battery life, the Xiaomi V168 offers an impressive flight time of 22 to 25 minutes on a single charge. The included 7.4-volt 2000 mAh lithium polymer battery takes approximately 90 minutes to recharge. Number 4. GSF L900 Pro 4K Professional Drone. The L900 Pro features a high-definition 4K camera with a wide-angle lens. The camera's angle can be adjusted up to 90 degrees using the controller, allowing you to capture breathtaking aerial shots and videos from various perspectives. Equipped with 5G Wi-Fi, this drone allows you to connect to its dedicated application, enabling real-time image transmission directly to your smartphone. Whether you're taking pictures or recording videos, you can view everything live on your phone screen. GPS-assisted flight technology ensures precise positioning and navigation. The drone will automatically return to its home location if the battery is low or if the signal weakens, so you never have to worry about losing it. Indoor shooting is a breeze with optical flow positioning. This feature stabilizes the drone's hover and makes indoor photography much easier. The L900 Pro also introduces gesture photo and video mode. Simply make specific gestures within 1 to 3 meters of the drone to take pictures or start recording videos. It's a fun and interactive way to capture your moments. With up to 28 minutes of maximum flight time on a single charge, you have plenty of time to explore and capture your surroundings. The brushless motor in the L900 Pro is designed to be quiet yet powerful. It rarely breaks down and requires minimal maintenance, making your flying experience smooth and enjoyable. The Follow Me mode is another standout feature. The drone will automatically follow and capture your movements, keeping you in the frame at all times. Number 3. Fly Faith Mini 4K Professional Drone. First off, the Fly Faith Mini is remarkably compact and lightweight. Weighing just 230 grams, it is lighter than a typical Apple. This allows it to be easily carried in your pocket or backpack, making it incredibly portable for any adventure. Equipped with a 4K high-definition camera, this drone captures stunning movie-grade images with 8 megapixels of detail. The advanced camera system, paired with a 3-axis brushless gimbal, ensures that your footage is clear, stable, and free from vibrations, no matter how the drone moves. The Fly Faith Mini features 5G Wi-Fi first-person view technology, enabling real-time transmission of high-definition video at 1080p resolution. With a control range of up to 3 kilometers, you can explore distant landscapes and get a live view of your surroundings with minimal latency. One of the standout features of the FIMI is its impressive 27-minute flight endurance. This extended battery life gives you more freedom to capture those perfect aerial shots. The drone is powered by a brushless motor, which provides strong power output, high efficiency, and enhanced wind resistance, ensuring a reliable flight experience. The drone is equipped with GPS positioning, which locks onto satellite signals to maintain its location accurately. Optical flow positioning further enhances flight stability by using the drone's bottom camera to capture image data, improving control smoothness and stability during flight. The FIMI also boasts a nanoscale resin panel that provides good fall resistance and aerodynamic design, contributing to its stability and wind resistance. The drone's altitude hold mode maintains a consistent altitude, allowing you to control roll, pitch, and yaw with ease. Number 2. Potensic 4K Professional Drone. The Potensic 4K Professional Drone, also known as the Atom, weighs in at less than 249 grams. Its palm-sized form factor means you can easily take it with you on any adventure without worrying about cumbersome gear or complex regulations. No Federal Aviation Administration or remote identification registration is required, making it hassle-free to carry along. The Atom drone comes equipped with a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring your aerial footage is always smooth and stable. With the advanced SONY-CMOS sensor and a 12-megapixel camera capable of recording in 4K resolution at 30 frames per second, you can capture stunning, high-quality videos and images even in challenging conditions. One of the standout features of this drone is its fast charging capability. The Potensic 4K Professional Drone includes a Fly More combo with a parallel charging hub that supports 60-watt quick charging for up to 3 batteries simultaneously. In just 1.5 hours, you can have your batteries fully charged and ready to go. Distance is never a problem with the Potensic 4K Professional Drone. Thanks to its upgraded PicSync 3.0 technology, it boasts a transmission range of up to 6 kilometers, or approximately 20,000 feet. This means you can capture wide, sweeping shots and explore further without losing connection. Get creative with the Atom's versatile shooting modes. Whether you want to pull away, rocket, circle, spiral, or boomerang, this drone offers an array of visual tracking and quick shot options to enhance your filming experience. These features make it easy for anyone to create cinematic quality videos effortlessly. Number 1. FIMI Mini 3 4K Drone. Let's start with its lightweight and portable design. Weighing only 245 grams, the FIMI Mini 3 is incredibly light and easy to carry. You won't need any Federal Aviation Administration or remote identification registration, making it perfect for travel. The FIMI Mini 3 is equipped with a 1/2-inch 48-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor. This allows the drone to capture breathtaking 4K video at 60 frames per second and stunning 48-megapixel photos. The integrated 3-axis mechanical gimbal ensures that your footage remains stable and smooth, delivering a professional shooting experience. One of the standout features of the FIMI Mini 3 is its AI Super Night video capability. Thanks to the latest generation AI image signal processor chip, this drone offers a 400% higher signal-to-noise ratio compared to traditional chips. Distance is no issue with the FIMI Mini 3. It utilizes Solink HD digital transmission technology to achieve real-time high-definition video transmission over a maximum distance of 9 kilometers, or approximately 29,000 feet. The dual-frequency band switching between 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz ensures a stable connection with a low latency of just 120 milliseconds. With up to 32 minutes of flight time per battery and a total of 64 minutes with the included 2 batteries, the FIMI Mini 3 allows for extended flying sessions. Even on windy days, the FIMI Mini 3 remains reliable. Its flight control system is designed to handle winds of up to 38 kilometers per hour, or level 5 winds, ensuring stable performance and safe operation. The FIMI Mini 3 also features advanced smart capabilities. It includes accurate visual tracking, precise landing, waypoint autoflight, and point-of-interest functions. And there you have it, our top 5 mini drones of 2025. From advanced 4K cameras to impressive flight times and compact designs, each of these drones brings something unique to the table. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect mini drone to suit your needs. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews and drone tips. Thanks for watching.